Okay. I'm ready for this, 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 and I'll be right back. Okay, you have your hamburger diesel chip, vinegar, jalapeno peppers, mild banana peppers. Actually, they should be hot, but I couldn't find hot. Store-bought pickled egg, homemade pickled egg, pickled sausage. Don't forget the Big Mama. Lawry seasoned salt, smoked paprika, sazon, red pepper flake, black pepper, slap your mama, Tony Chachere's, Tajin, and 2 different hot sauces, Louisiana hot sauce and Crystal hot sauce. Okay, first I'm gonna cut up the Big John's pickled sausage. Next I'm gonna cut up the Big Mama sausage. I think 1 and 1 is enough for this size container or bowl, but if I had something larger, I cut up more. Cut up as much as you like, to your liking. As you see, that's plenty of sausage for this size container. These are the homemade pickled eggs. One for later. So I added 2 of the Big John's pickled eggs, store-bought, 2 homemade pickled eggs, and 1 of each sausage. 1 Big Mama, 1 Big John. Next, I'm adding the hamburger dill chips. My son doesn't like too much pickle, so sliced jalapeno peppers. Everything is sliced, so no, I put the cutting board away. And these are the mild banana peppers. I couldn't find spicy, but with the inventory at the supermarkets changing, I get it. Sprinkle in a little Larry's. Pinch of smoked paprika. Just a hint of this. Your brand, your choice. Red pepper flakes. Who doesn't like Tajin? Can't make this without Slap Your Mama. Can't make it without Tony Chachere's. And a dash of this. Old Faithful. You add this to keep from adding so much of your other juices, like the hot sausage juice, any of the peppers juice. You want to use them at a later time. So you just add a splash of that to stretch it. Definitely adding this juice. About a tablespoon of this juice. About a tablespoon of this juice. My kid likes homemade pickled eggs. And since there are already 2 in there, I added him 2 plain boiled eggs. He requested extra egg. The good news is that was too much for that lovely container, so I switched. That way you guys will also get to see me do the shake. You'll actually get to see it. It's an old mason jar. It looks like it needs more seasoning, so I'm going to go back and hit it with everything else all over again. As you can see, 2 pickled eggs, 2 store-bought pickled eggs, 2 homemade pickled eggs, and 2 regular hard-boiled eggs, 2 sausages, the juice of all of the spicy things. I added more vinegar as well because I wanted everything submerged. You can see I added more seasonings. You can definitely see more red pepper flakes. This will actually be better tomorrow than it's going to taste right now, but I am going to have my taste tester give it a taste for you guys. Okay. Ready when you are, boss? Because, you know, I work for him.
Well, you know.
You want me to switch it back to the bowl? Thumbs up? They're good. All right, boss. I make it by special request because I don't eat meat. I don't eat it, but I hear it's delicious. So maybe I'll make a vegan spicy bowl. And tell you what I think. I don't know. Well, see, I might not need any mushroom. I can probably just do the eggs and all of the peppers. I might even add like a green pepper, red pepper. But I don't think I would need. I probably wouldn't miss a meat, so I might not need to add mushrooms. All right, boss, you ain't gonna let it marinate? Okay. Now we're gonna taste it for today. It says greater later.